water is very clear. It's much cleaner than it was before the storm. I'm happy with that. It's cooler, it's cleaner. So I think it should make for some better fishing as we keep kind of transitioning into our so-called fall. Good morning, y'all. I am out here finally after these storms. It seems like it's been quite a while since I've been able to get out and have a good fishing day, but we are finally out here. We launched from Placida today over by the Placida Fishing Pier at the Coral Creek Bridge. Wanted to come out here and basically just kind of scout around. The water has cooled down a lot. We've had a couple hurricanes, so the water has changed a lot since I've been out last. So my main thing is just get out, scout around, and see if we can't find where the fish are holding. We're gonna try to go up around some creek mouths. I feel like some of the bigger fish might be working their way towards the creeks. As soon as the water cools down, it's typically what they do. Some of the bigger fish move in from offshore and hang around the passes. So we're pretty close to a pass today, and we're gonna work our way down to a creek mouth, see if we can't get on something. So it's hard telling out here today. You know, it could be really tough with water conditions and stuff, but hopefully we can get on something. The water's a little cleaner than what I was thinking. So far so good. I've seen little bits of bait, so that's a good sign as well. So we're gonna keep looking around. We're gonna try to find some schools mullet, see if there's some reds hanging around, see if we can't get some snook on these trees, and see if there ain't some of that big fall time trout out here. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's get salty. Oh, and I foul hooked him. He's splashing me, guy. Right into this damn stick. I've been seeing some stuff blowing up over here. My last couple trips out, I haven't really got a whole lot, and I've had some bad luck, and at least I caught something, but a puffer, ugh. I'm at least thankful I was using a hard bait. I have on this new to me skinny lipper greenback. It's got some gold, green, and like black on it, orange belly. It's kind of a top water, and then it just kind of dives down just below the surface. So I was gonna give that a shot instead of just the old top water this morning and see what's hanging around out here. Hopefully there's something better than puffer fish. So mangrove islands like this are perfect places to try to get some stuff through the summertime, fall, even sometimes early spring when the water starts to warm up. They all kind of like to hang around the structure. I know that there's some grasses and some oysters all around this guy too. So this got all the ingredients. Plus there's a nice little choke point in between there. That's the big point that I'm looking for. We're gonna go all the way up around these trees, but right in between there, there's good current flow going between. That's where I think most of the fish are gonna be at. It's an ambush point. All the stuff that's back here is flowing right between there. So they can hang out, have protection from things like dolphins, birds, but can swing out and can pick off some food nice and easy. So we're gonna try to get in here all nice and quiet, make sure they don't hear us, and see if we can't get on something over here. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, we got something on that spot I was talking about. Oh wow, it's a cuda. I haven't fished this spot since May, and when I fished out here then, I caught a cuda too. They are thick out here, I guess. Wow, cool beans. Been seeing something blow up on this shoreline too, but I thought it was a little snook. I thought for sure it was a little snook. Woo! Nailed the power prawn. Let's get this out of here, buddy. We'll get you on your way. Woo! I don't want you loose in here. Let him revive a little bit. He seemed a little tired. Yeah, he's ready to go now. Oh, he's wrapped up in my leader though. There he goes. Right on. It's the first fish I've caught in probably well over a month because of all these hurricanes. So it's nice. Get out here, get on the water, finally get my fish, get my hands all fish slimy and get that skunk off me. That's nice. But yeah, let's see what we can do. We're gonna push around this shoreline some more and see what we can find, y'all. One thing for sure is I am super thankful for my Yak Attack anchor trolley. Got my anchor sitting back behind me, got the wind being able to steer me, and I am just sitting right here in that choke point we were talking about and was able to get that fish. Normally I'm only able to kind of tie off from the sides, so if I did that I would be facing either this way or this way, but with my anchor trolley I'm able to put my anchor at the back and point myself right where I want to be. So I am super thankful I finally installed that guy. If you guys are thinking about doing that, I'd go ahead and do that right away. It was pretty easy to install too, as long as you're, you know, somewhat handy. It did take a drill, and I use a rivet gun. There is some people that just do it with screws. It comes with screws, so you know, I think it's definitely a way to do it. But I picked up some waterproof rivets off of Amazon just to be safe, and siliconed all those guys as I put them in also. And we're gonna pull this guy up now and see if we can't move around and try to find some more fish. So but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts on that. And yeah, if you're thinking about it, I would definitely jump on that. All right, we're up again. What we got here? Oh, seems like a decent fish here. Power prawn is working today. I seen this current was blowing pretty heavy here on the this oyster bar, so I figured I'd stop and give it a shot. I'm still not sure what we got here. Oh, I think we got a little snook. Or is it a nice red? That's a decent red. Yeah, he's a clean looking red. Sweet. Just what I needed today was to catch me a red. Right on. Nice little red. Got one spot here, and then he's a 2-spot on the other side. So we got a 3-spotter. Nothing huge, but still a redfish. I love to catch redfish more than about anything. So got that guy on the prawn as well. Prawn is putting in work today. We're gonna get this guy released. You ready to go, buddy? All right, kicks right off. He is ready to go. Right on. Big boy trout here. Jeez, buddy. Oh, he does not want to go in the net. Oh boy, he's a pretty decent sized one. Go ahead. Board out here. Woohoo! Yeah, 17 and a half. He's a pretty guy. Got that mulligan right there in the corner of his mouth. Perfect shot. All right, go on, buddy. Ooh, this feels nice. I'm not sure what we got. Hopefully we got a snook. It's definitely running like one. Ah, another nice trout. Man, these trout are fighting hard today. All right. Settle down, buddy. Yeah, you're fatty. Whew, he is pushing 19, 18 3/4. I thought maybe I cut the same one, but he is bigger than the last one, so not the same one. But... oh, there you go, buddy. See ya. Just trying to get a nice look at him there, but there he goes. He just took off. It's jumping. We might have her snook. We do. Right on. So happy I was able to get that slam. He ain't a big bragger or anything. Still snook. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Whew. You stabbed me back, huh? Alright, buddy. Go on back and get bigger for me. Thanks, buddy. Made my day. Right on. Was able to get the slam plus the cuda today. It's been a pretty good day back out here in Boca Grande. I sure love it out here. Alright. I guess everything else is going to be icing on the cake. Good day, good day. Thank you, baby Jesus. The water is very clear. It's much cleaner than it was before the storm. I'm happy with that. It's cooler, it's cleaner. So, I think it should make for some better fishing as we keep kind of transitioning into our so-called fall. But we're gonna keep moving around, see if we can't upgrade this slam to something bigger. I'm not sure if I got something or not. It feels like I got something, but yeah, now that it's getting close to the boat, it's shaking a little more. Yeah, a little dinky trout. Haha. There you go. We got something decent trolling. It's over some grasses. I guess it's probably a trout. Trout. He's trying to go to the other side. Yeah, he's pretty decent. Yeah. Nothing crazy, but he looks like he's slot. Wow, he's even making a drumming noise. Wet my hand. Yeah, he's right at about 16. Yeah, he's in slot. If we were keeping fish today, we would have had our limit on trout and slot, that's for sure. Put you back in the net for a minute. He still seems like he's ready to go. There you go, buddy. Right on. Another trout on the troll over. I was gonna slowly start working my way back. All right, y'all. I am calling it a day. It's about 11 o'clock. I'm making my way back to the launch. I was able to get that slam, get some cuda. Got some pretty decent sized trout today. For the first time back on the water since the hurricane, I'm pretty stoked with how the day went. Happy to get a slam. Nothing too glamorous, but still a slam, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, I'm happy to see how the water quality is improved a lot. It's even better than I think before the storm. So water's cooled down, so I think fishing should definitely start to pick up. Pretty excited about that. We're going to try to get out as much as possible. With these high winds coming in through the fall and the winter time, it's tough to get out on the kayak, but we're definitely going to get out as much as possible. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If so, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay salty, y'all.